What's up everybody, this is Mari from Mari's Review Channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a facial cleanser called Voyx. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this package. I have purchased a facial cleanser over the weekend, so let me just go ahead and open up and show you what it has to offer. I did purchase this off of Amazon. As you can see, this is well packaged. It does have some bubble wrap so it doesn't get thrown around in the box. This is the Voyeur, the BR610, the 4-in-1 blackhead remover. This is an awesome little face cleanser. It does have a 4 multifunction, as you can see right here. Has different head types to cover different areas of the face. So I'm just going to go ahead and take it out of the box. Right here on the side you can see what the tips are. You've got for your nose, your cheeks, you have one for dead skin. So I'm just going to go ahead and flip it around here, and here's some information. Basically it uses a 3.7 volt. The working power is a 5 watts. So I'll just go ahead and open this box. Alright, so in the box, as you can see, this is where your facial cleanser machine is in. Very nicely packaged. And these are your accessories right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab the manual out of the box. Right here will tell you everything about this. It is in English, it's in Dutch, French, Italian, and Espanol. So as you can see right here, it tells you all about the machine. This is actually not an English side, so just go to the very front of the book, and the very front of the book will have the English instructions on how to put this together and how to use it. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and put that aside. We're going to get to the accessories and to the machine. And right here is the accessories that actually will go under the knob. And these little white dongle things here are actually what picks up the blackheads. Here's your standard USB charger. So you can plug that into your computer or your power block. And then here are your different size heads. This one is to clean for the dead skin. And then you've got your nose tip, which is the smaller one that will actually help clean around your nose area, which is the second one right here, as you can see. Different sizes. Very good quality. So now we're going to put that away. We're going to make our way to the actual machine itself. And this one does come with another tip on top of the machine. So I'm just going to go ahead and take it out of the box. It is very lightweight. It's not very heavy. And this is Voyeur. You have your power button, your up and down. So if you want to make the power go higher or if you want it to go lower. And you can turn the power on right here. And it will tell you the battery indicator on the side. See, and there's a speed. That is medium. And then one more is the highest, with a pretty good suction. Right here is some more information. This is the model. And then the power size information, and there's your plug. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's very, like I said, it's very lightweight, very nice. It does a very good job. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove my makeup, which will be in the next step, and I will show you how to use this. Okay, so right now I'm just going to go ahead and remove some of my makeup so I can go ahead and wash my skin. I'm just going to continue to remove the makeup from my skin. Then we'll just go ahead and use the face cleanser. So we're just going to go ahead and turn it on, set it up to high. We'll go ahead and do around our nose. We're just going to keep Making our way around our nose, our cheeks, upper lip, Nevada, your chin. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and work our way to our cheeks, around our chin line. Get all that grease and dirt. Okay, and I want to get around the creases in my nose because this is where all the oil gathers up right around here. As you've been doing this, you can actually feel that your blackheads or your grease puddles have been removed. So we're just going to go ahead and continue down on the chin, around the jawline. So you'll just continue to do around your jawline, you do your forehead and your nose, your whole face. I'm going to go ahead and finish this, and I will come back with my final thought of what I think about this product. So after using this product, I noticed my face is a lot softer. There's no more blackheads. This is definitely a product you want to go ahead and pick it up. So if you're interested in this product, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and go ahead and hit that little thumbs up button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.